Today, Daddy Pig is taking Peppa and George to see big vehicles. Are you ready for a fun trip?
Yes, Daddy!
Trip! They walk to a place with many vehicles.
I love big vehicles. Big! This is an excavator.
This excavator digs the ground.
Wow! It has a big arm. The excavator is very strong. Dig! Dig!
That's right, George.
This is a road roller.
It makes the road flat. Roll, roll, roll. The road roller works slowly and safely.
Very good.
This is a truck. Trucks carry heavy things.
It's very big. Trucks help move things everywhere. Bye-bye, truck. Bye-bye, truck.
Good job.
This is a fire truck.
It's bright red.
Fire trucks help people. Fire trucks are very important. Nino!
Well done. They have seen many vehicles.
Yes, sir.
Did you like the vehicles?
Yes.
Peppa remembers what she learned.
Vehicles help people work. Help!
It is time to go home.
What was your favorite?
Fire truck. Peppa had a great day.
I like all the vehicles.
Today we plant roses.
Roses?
For Mummy.
The soil is soft. We picked it perfect for flowers.
Perfect for flowers.
Dig, dig.
I want to try.
Peppa want dig? Like this? Yes.
Great job. It's pretty.
Like you're saying something like T pretty.
Very pretty. Careful now.
Gentle. Pat, pat.
Nice and snug. Water time.
Not too much. Drink, flower.
Well done.
It's growing.
Soon it will bloom.
Mommy.
Come see.
Hello.
Come see.
Hello.
Roses?
For you.
For you, a surprise.
I love them. Yay.
Happy me Mummy Day.
Thank you both.
It is a lovely sunny day at Peppa Pig's house.
What a beautiful day to water my flowers.
Yes, Daddy Pig loves his flowers very much.
These flowers smell wonderful. Oh dear, a little bee is very close to Daddy Pig. Oh, hello, little bee.
Ouch! Daddy Pig gets stung by the bee.
Ouch! That hurts. Oh no, Daddy. Bee.
Daddy Pig feels a little pain in his arm.
Are you okay, Daddy? I'm all right, but it's a bit sore. Peppa has a good idea. George, let's be doctors. Doctor! Here is the doctor bag. Dinosaur doctor. Yes, Daddy Pig is the patient. Please sit down, Daddy.
Yes, Dr. Peppa. Dr. Peppa checks Daddy Pig carefully.
Your heart sounds good. That's good news. Dr. George helps too.
all better.
Thank you, Dr. George. Daddy Pig needs some water. You should drink water, Daddy. Drink.
That makes Daddy Pig feel much better.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Peppa and George are very kind doctors.
You are both wonderful.
Yes, Daddy Pig will be more careful next time. I'll wave to the bees from far away.
That's a good idea.
What's that sound?
There's something under my bed. Peppa! There's something under my bed.
What's wrong, George?
I'll go with you. I'm a bit scared. Me too, just a little. I don't see anything under the bed.
Did you hear that?
Let's go get Daddy! Daddy! There's a noise under George's bed.
Oh?
Let Daddy take a look.
Don't worry, Daddy's here.
I see it.
It's just a wind-up toy car.
So it wasn't a monster!
Night.
Good night, Daddy.
Good night, Daddy.
Today, Peppa is having a yummy snack. Ooh! Donuts! Donuts! Peppa really loves donuts. Peppa eats another donut. And another. Peppa is eating a lot. Peppa eats too many donuts. I love donuts. Oh dear. Peppa's tummy feels funny. Oh. My tummy feels full. Peppa's tummy feels bloated. My tummy hurts a little. Oh no.
Mummy Pig comes to help. What's wrong, Peppa?
I ate too many donuts.
You should not eat too many donuts at one time.
Not too many.
Mummy Pig knows how to help Peppa feel better. Let's rest for a bit, Peppa. The warm towel helps Peppa's tummy.
That feels nice.
Peppa starts to feel better.
My tummy feels much better now. Hooray!
Peppa is healthy again. That's good, Peppa. Peppa and George have a song to remember.
You should not eat too nuts. You should not eat too many donuts. Your tummy will feel bloated. Your tummy when he doted.
And Peppa learns an important lesson. I'll eat donuts carefully next time.
Carefully.
Well done.
Let's go, Pin Pin.
Woof!
Yep. Pin Pin. Wait. Wait. Pin Pin? Maybe he's here. Oh no! Pin! Pin, Pin! Pin, Pin! Can you hear me? Pin, Pin! I found you! Wow, Zozo! This garden is so big and colorful!
Yes, Peppa. I can see flowers everywhere. Let's look carefully at the ground.
Okay, I think something is moving.
Peppa, it's a tiny ant. Hello, little ant. You are very busy.
Look how small it is!
And it works so hard.
Peppa, look up there! Oh, I see a spider web! The spider is making its home!
That looks very clever.
Huh? What is that wiggling? It's a worm coming out to say hello. Hello, little worm. Don't be scared. It moves in a funny way. Wow! Something is flying! It's a beautiful butterfly. Its wings are so pretty.
I love the colors.
Goodbye, butterfly.
Fly slowly and safely.
I like watching little animals. Me too. They are very friendly.
The garden is full of little friends. Yes, friends everywhere. Gardens are fun to explore.
And fun to learn.
Let's visit the garden again. Yes. See you, little friends.
Time to hang the clothes.
Yay! Clothes!
This is the clothesline.
It's the clothesline!
It's long, long.
So many clothes! Socks!
Clip it like this.
I can do it!
Good job.
Sock!
Clip it, George. Clip.
Clip! It's funny!
That's okay. One pin here.
Clip, clip.
Clip, clip! Their dance! Yeah! Dance! Let's do it together!
1, 2.
2!
Perfect. We did it.
Hey!
We did it.
All done! Empty! Empty! Oh, silly sock! Careful, George! Peppa, listen. I hear something.
A monster!
We should investigate. Yes. Yes. Yes, a friendly monster. It's too dark to see. I have a light.
Let's see what's down there.
It's a frog. It was just a little frog. A frog monster.
The supermarket.
Shopping!
Ready, everyone?
Let's get school things. Yes! Stay close. Look at the bags. Big bag. Choose one. I like this one. Dinosaur. Pencils for school. Pretty colors. Crayons. I'll write my name. Open. Close. New school clothes. I like them. Shoes. Fit. Perfect. Very good. Lunchtime. Juice. One each. We got everything. Full.
Time to pay.
Beep, beep, beep.
School is ready.
Ready.
Well done. I'm excited.
Me too. It will be fun. My new bag. Dinosaur bag.
Happy school year.
Yay!
Let's go home. Today, Peppa, George, and Zozo are playing in the playroom.
Let's play doctors.
That sounds fun.
Doctor. Peppa is the doctor.
I am Dr. Peppa.
Dr. Peppa. Zozo is the first patient. My tummy feels funny. Let me check.
Dr. Peppa listens very carefully.
I hear giggles. George has a silly idea. Teddy's sick. Oh dear. Dr. Peppa makes notes. You need lots of rest. Okay, Doctor. Dr. George helps too. My nose is not sick. Oops. Doctors must be careful. Bandages go on the sore spot. Oh. Please drink some water. Thank you. Zozo feels much better. I feel great now.
Yay!
Now Peppa feels tired. Being a doctor is hard work. Now Dr. Peppa is the patient. Oh dear! Stay still.
Being kind is important. All better.
Thank you. Playing doctors helps friends learn. Doctors help people. And we must be gentle. I'm drawing a crab. A crab with a very big mouth. Big mouth. So funny. I'll put it right here. Good night, crab. Good night. Sweet dreams. Huh? Huh? Something is moving. Oh. Please don't chase me. I'm just dreaming. Help! Big mouth crab. Stop following me. It was a dream. The crab is still here. Just a picture. Peppa, did you have a funny dream? There was a very big crab. I dreamed my crab came alive.
Silly dreams can feel very real. You're safe.
Safe.
No crabs here.